Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this video is on the best ARC welders. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Starting at number 5, 200 amp 20 PCS rod stick welder. Ever struggled lugging around heavy, bulky welders? I used to dread simple repairs. Equipment was just too much. Then I found the HP 200 amp mini stick welder. It's ultra light, fits in one hand, just 3.7 pounds. No more backaches or wrestling with awkward machines. Setup is a breeze. Plug it in, adjust the digital display. It handles 20 to 200 A current, perfect for home projects. Weld cast iron, mild steel, and more. Join 6 0.2 inch thickness. The IGBT inverter tech keeps the arc smooth and stable. Hot start, arc force, and anti-stick make welding frustration free. I tried it on a metal gate, clean strong welds, no sticking. Compatible with over 90% of rods, super versatile. Comes with 20 rods, gloves, and chip hammers, ready to go. Safety features, overheat, overload, and voltage protection built in. Whether you're a DIYer or just starting out, this is for you. Make welding easy. Grab your HPO mini welder today. Number 4, ARCCAPTAIN 160L MIG Welder. Many believe welding is only for experts with bulky equipment. As a certified welding instructor, I see beginners struggle. Most entry-level welders lack flexibility and are hard to adjust. That's why I recommend the ARCCAPTAIN 160A MIG Welder. This 4-in-1 machine covers gas MIG, gasless MIG, lift TIG, and MMA. It's perfect for carbon steel, stainless, and even thicker metals. The Synergy Control auto matches current and wire speed for you. Just select your wire diameter. 30.5 or 0.40 inches. Even complete beginners can achieve smooth, reliable welds fast. Weighing just 11.8 pounds, it's easy to carry anywhere. Built-in safety protects against overload, heat, and voltage spikes. Each unit passes strict lab tests for durability and performance. I've used it for home repairs and outdoor maintenance. Flawless results. Stop letting welding myths hold you back. Start with ARCCAPTAIN today. Click below to upgrade your welding experience with confidence. Number 3, bestarc 135 amp MIG Welder. Many believe welding machines are bulky and hard to use. As a certified welding instructor, I see this misconception daily. Most struggle with complex controls, voltage settings, and portability. Let me introduce the bestarc 145 amp MIG Welder. It features advanced IGBT inverter and synergic technology. Automatic voltage and wire feed adjustments simplify setup. You can fine-tune voltage for precise results every time. This 4-in-1 welder supports MIG, TIG, stick, and flux core. Perfect for stainless steel, carbon steel, and thicker metals. Dual voltage design works seamlessly with 110V or 220V power. Switch between gas MIG and gasless flux core modes easily. Weighs just 13.7 pounds. Includes a shoulder strap for portability. Large LED display shows real-time voltage and current info. I've tested it. Setup is fast, welds are clean and strong, ideal for beginners, DIYers, and professional welders alike. Upgrade your welding experience. Choose bestarc MIG 45 today. Number 2, ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welder. Ever get stuck switching machines for different welding jobs? I used to waste time juggling multiple welders. Frustrating, right? Then I found the ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welder, a true game changer. It's a 6-in-1 powerhouse. MIG, flux core, stick, TIG, spot, spool gun. No more clutter, just one machine for all my projects. The digital LED display is huge. I can see settings clearly, helmet on. Auto parameter matching? Yes, it sets current and wire speed for me. I can still tweak settings for my own style. Super flexible. Safety's covered. Overheat, overload, voltage protection, and VRD. Fan only runs when needed. No constant buzzing in the background. Let's weld. Switching from MIG to stick is quick and simple. Burn back adjustment and presets make repeat jobs a breeze. It's lightweight, portable, and comes with a handy shoulder strap. Perfect for workshops, field repairs, or home DIY projects. If you want versatility and pro results, this welder's for you. Ready to upgrade? Try the ARCCAPTAIN MIG Welder today. Number 1, YESWELDER 200A AC/DC Aluminum TIG Welder. Upgrade your welding game with the YESWELDER 200A AC/DC TIG Welder. Imagine flawless aluminum welds in your workshop or on site. The large LED display shows every setting clearly, even in low light. Intuitive controls make parameter adjustments fast and precise. Easy start with hot start ensures spatter-free, stable ignition every time. Auto memory saves your preferred settings even after power off. Weighs just 7.47 kilos. Take it anywhere, store it effortlessly. Delivers a powerful 200 amps for thick metals and long sessions. High frequency non-touch start means reliable, clean arc ignition. 6-in-1 versatility, stick, AC/DC, TIG, pulse TIG, and spot welding. Weld, steel, aluminum, or stainless. One machine, endless possibilities. AC mode with square wave optimizes aluminum welds for cleaner results. DC mode handles steel and other metals with professional precision. Add a 5-pin foot pedal for hands-free control and current adjustment. Transform your welding. More power, more control, more versatility. Ready to elevate your craft? Get the YESWELDER TIG 200P AC/DC today. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.